impact on the downside is very, very limited for the markets. So I think in that context, it was a good reaction from the indices. We saw Bank Nifty showing signs of strength, and I think that's been the hallmark of this 500, 600 point of the rally, which you've seen for the Nifty from sub 25,000 mark. We're still trading into a band of 25,000 to 25,500. That's another positive to look out for from the index perspective. And I think there are a few odd sectors which are trying to make a comeback. So we saw pharma stocks doing fairly well for themselves in the last couple of days. There were traces of yesterday real estate names or realty sector trying to make comeback. We saw many of the stocks, Prestige, DLF, etc., showing signs of a mild uptick or a follow-through up move. So that indicates that we are looking at more of a reprieve for many of the underperforming sectors. And that I think should open up the market breadth also consistently. So I actually believe that it's a positive reaction. We saw the US markets also recover yesterday, almost the entire losses of what they incurred on Friday. So I think in that context also, I would believe that we are now looking at a point where the index should be in a range. 25,000, 25,500 broadly is the range for the Nifty. And my bias is still on the upside, and I'm expecting the index to head towards 25,500 pretty soon.
Okay, so that's with regard to the index. Kunal, your picks for this morning before I start asking you on stocks.
So two buy calls. Chola Finance is something which is coming back on the radar. So not just L&T Finance, but I think even Chola Finance is something which is looking attractive. The stock confirming a breakout yesterday of a continuation inverted head and shoulder pattern. It's a very rare kind of a pattern for stock prices to exhibit this kind of in this kind of a price trend. But Chola Finance has managed to do it. The stock managed to cross the neckline of 1630 levels yesterday. So would look out for targets in the range of 1690 for Chola Finance, and stop loss could be kept at 1625. BEML is the other stock, and I also believe that many of the PSU names in the defense stocks specifically could make a strong comeback. BEML yesterday managed to confirm a flat pattern breakout on the hourly charts. So would look out for targets in the range of 4,480. Stop us at 4320.
Okay, let's take a very quick break. The global handover seemed quite okay, by the way. There was a massive recovery, if you will, for the US equity markets. This morning, though, Asia is a little bit tempered. And once again, so are we. We'll take a break, continue tracking markets on the other side.